What up guys, welcome back. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your delayed data on ThinkorSwim and activate real-time quotes. Also, I'm gonna show you how to subscribe to real-time level 2 quotes, all for free. One way to know if your quotes are delayed is by looking in the upper left corner next to the date and time. You can see that mine says real-time data in green. If yours is delayed, then it would say delayed data in yellow. And if you click on it, you can see that my account is subscribed to all of the exchanges like NYSE, Nasdaq, Amex, and real-time quotes. Now, in order to fix this, all we have to do is go to the TD Ameritrade website, log in the account, go to Client Services. Under my Profile tab, go ahead and click on General. Now we are going to go to the bottom right corner where it says Real-Time Quotes and Exchange Agreements. Now, you can see mine that are already signed since I already went through this process, but you can click on Edit. Now it's going to ask you, how do you plan to use this account? If you want to get real-time quotes for free, then you have to select for personal purposes. Click on Next. From there, you need to fill this section up. What is your job title, job description? Basically, TD Ameritrade is making sure that you are not a professional trader or stockbroker. By professional, I mean a trader who is licensed with either their Series 6, 7, 63, 65, or 66 license. Traders who are licensed pay higher fees for market data. That's why when you open up an account, you have to tell them if you are a professional licensed trader. Day traders, however, are not required to be licensed if they are trading with their own money. Now, once you are done signing them, when you go back, you should see next to each one of these exchange agreements, sign. But now, in order to go to the next step, we do need to log out TD Ameritrade, then log back in. Once you're back, the next thing we are going to do is subscribe to real-time level 2 quotes. So let's go back to Client Services, under my profile, but this time let's click on Subscriptions. Down below, you are going to see your subscriptions. The one we want is the real-time Nasdaq level 2 quotes. You can see that this is a $0 charge. Now, I'm already subscribed, but you guys can go ahead and subscribe and agree to the terms and conditions. Now, once you have subscribed, you just need to refresh ThinkorSwim by logging out, then logging back in. Now, you should see real-time data in green instead of the delayed data in yellow. But in order to get real-time data on the paper trading account, you do have to contact ThinkorSwim support. I must have a minimum of $500 in the account. The process is very quick. You can create a support ticket and live chat with them. They usually reply within 30 seconds. Just ask them to enable real-time data for the paper trading account. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'm gonna go ahead and respond to every single comment and question. And if you have found these tips and tricks helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. See you soon. Peace.